How to enable or disable Find My Mobile Send Last location on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, go down and tap on the account profile. Then scroll down and tap on Samsung Find. Next, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. Now in here, we go down and tap on Allow devices to be found. Then tap on your device. Next, tap on Send Last Location. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.